This is Isabel. I'm at ITW 2026, and today I'm joined by the one and only Michael Glynn, the COO of Activeport. Michael, welcome to my hot seat.
Thank you for having me again. Great to be here.
It's always a pleasure.
Yes, it is. And ITW, again, a buzz, as always.
So, Michael, what do you think is not working with traditional networks?
Look, as you see, over the last 5-10 years, a lot of networks are looking to automate different functions of their network, orchestrating that on the front end for their customers to light up services either across their network or into cloud on-ramps, to partner interconnects, to get to cloud or to move data between data centers. And now with Neo Cloud and all those sort of things, it's really around how does a customer or a carrier be able to move that traffic wherever the customer needs, and more than likely it's going to be on demand. So that's when you start touching about network as a service, you start talking about orchestration, and then there's a whole new software layer that comes into it.
Okay. And how important is network automation when it comes to data centers and networks?
Yeah, well, look, we're seeing a lot of network providers launching their NAS platforms. Some of the tier ones, tier twos are now launching their on-demand platforms for their customers to go between data centers or even automating their local loops for the enterprise customers at the edge or IoT SIM cards to the edge to get to cloud. And again, as we're moving more of that AI traffic around, then that's more and more important. Data centers, we're seeing more and more data centers enable a NAS platform to introduce their cloud on-ramps, and within that cloud sits the AI, so their customers can access more things on demand to compete with other carriers or to compete with other data centers, really. So NAS is really becoming, what I've noticed over the last 12 months, a lot of the data centers are very keen to start lighting up their own platforms, not just for the revenue sake, but keeping the revenue and their customers to them.
Okay. And congratulations on your new role as the COO of Activeport.
Thank
It's
you.
very exciting.
Thank you.
So, how is Activeport positioning itself as an enabler of the NAS for network?
Yeah, look, Activeport number one is the software. We're a software vendor. We're an Aussie software vendor. We've been in the industry roughly about 10 years. A lot of people don't know the name, but the automation or the orchestration platform within some of the carriers and data centers is actually us underneath. So Activeport orchestration software talks to multi-vendors, and that's the hard bit. It's the hardware vendors. Not everyone's just got Juniper or Cisco. Like, it's a mixture of Ciena and Nokia and all of those. Plus also you've got your cloud on-ramps, you've got the DCs, you've got local loops. How do you bring all that together for not just the back end of a carrier or data center to be able to manage and provision, and as well as their security products and everything like that, but also how does a customer as a front end to be able to not just price, but to order, provision, manage, monitor the whole life cycle. So that's what Activeport does. We're a software and what I call a NAS in a box. We come and help data centers to launch their new platforms, but also we work with many carriers to automate different components and orchestrate that on a single platform for them. Some of them do have some automation, and when I sit with them, the big word that comes out, especially at ITW, is, oh, you guys are the glue. You're putting all this that we've got all together and you're orchestrating in one way for us. So it's been great.
Okay. Exciting time for Activeport and yourself. I'm so happy for you, and I can't wait to see all the great things you're going to achieve in the next few years.
Sounds great. Thanks for having me as always.
Thank you for a great interview, Michael.
Thank you.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.